Something new is ticking on Samsung smartwatches. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are getting a fresh wave of updates, and this one's all about refinement. Welcome to the One UI 8 Watch Beta 3, Samsung's latest step toward its most polished wearable experience yet. Back in September, Samsung kicked off the One UI 8 Watch beta program for its newest wearables, promising smarter performance, sleeker visuals, and deeper integration with Galaxy devices. A few weeks later, Beta 2 rolled out, ironing out the early bugs, and now Beta 3 is here to fine-tune the experience even further. The update is currently rolling out in South Korea under the firmware version ZYJ5, and according to reports from users like @AlphaTurk16, it's already landing on devices there. The rollout to the United States, the only other country in the beta program, is expected in the coming days. Now, what's new in Beta 3? It's all about fixes that make daily use smoother. Samsung has tackled two major bugs. First, an issue that caused audio recordings to malfunction. Second, a problem that made the media controller behave inconsistently. Both issues are now resolved, making your Galaxy Watch experience more reliable for music, voice memos, and media control. If you're part of the beta program, getting the update is simple. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to Watch Settings, tap Watch Software Update, then hit Download and Install. Samsung's One UI 8 Watch is based on Wear OS 5, and each new beta release brings it closer to its stable debut. With smoother controls, refined visuals, and improved stability, Beta 3 feels like a near-finished product, setting the stage for Samsung's next generation of smartwatch software. So what do you think? Is Samsung on the right track with One UI 8 Watch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more updates on Samsung's latest software and devices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the curve.